Hi friend, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss ISO cluster unsupervised classification through ArcGIS software. So at first open ArcGIS software. So at first add satellite data. So these satellite data are Sentinel-2 data. So at first change band composition of this satellite image. So at first near infrared band already Sentinel-2, near infrared band 8 and red band 4 and green band 3. So standard false color composite this satellite image. At first active image classification icon of this upper portion. So at first customize and extension spatial analyzed and then close, then image classification. So there are image classification tools active. So go to ISO cluster unsupervised classification, input the satellite sentinel data, number of classes 10 number of classes, then output folder name, unsupervised, then save, then OK. So ISO cluster unsupervised already done. So change this class and rename of this class name. So change this color. So at first ISO cluster, then sweeper. So this is the water body. Change this color. Water body. So and this portion are vegetation. So at first change this color vegetation. So at first water body wetland. This is the water body and this color are red color the agricultural land, green zero land, change this name. Woodland. And there's a sand. And apply. Okay. So there are classify image and its name. This is the classification of ISO cluster, supervised classification or unsupervised classification. If my video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will be very helpful for every ArcGIS learner. So share this video among your friends to get every notification from my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.